got to make it nice aeroplane or helicopter. You got to, this is the pipe you got to use it. So this for filter I used to have it like this, one to in opposite direction and one is in this filter with 10 rupees, and this is also each and everything is 10 rupees, 40 rupees for. So one concept is that which is there. So I want to show it to the world. I have found it when it is so great. So seeing this, you have to make a helicopter or aeroplane also. Sorry for the Air India helicopter accident. We pray all the Atma to get a peace. To pray all and airplane accident. Sorry, இது ஒரு ஏரோப்ளேன் ஃபைண்டிங்ஸ் தான். அப்படியே 10 ரூபா அது இது கட்டி வச்சுருக்காங்க. இடையில இந்த கவர் இருக்குது. ரப்பர் பேண்டை வச்சு இப்படி நல்லா டைட் பண்ணி இந்த பாசியில் அது கயிறு வச்சு கட்டி வச்சுருக்கேன். இதை வச்சு ஹெலிகாப்டர் பண்ணலாம், ஏரோப்ளேன். இது இஸ் ஃபார் மெயின்லி ஃபார் ஆல் engineers in India and foreign. Find it like this is a pipe you got to make it. So if you turn it, you have to turn this side, it is going on. This side you have to using this. You can make it like this. You can make a helicopter also. Open helicopter you have to use it nicely. So if you turn it this side, you have to make a machine. This is an idea only I have given. So even the car also we can make it. Even bike also we can make it by using this. So it's an automatic turning. You have to make a machine. It goes in front. Machine माटन मुन्नला वरको machine लगाने का आगे जाने के लिए see nicely you have to get like a feather and everything. It is like a this get applicable in cycle also. It is applicable in bike also. It is applicable in car also. In the helicopter, aeroplane also. This technique you have to use it using this pipe model. You have to use it. It's my invention, so you have to apply it. I will see the nangan to cycle, bike, aeroplane use the idea based on curves. It is an idea, again basic idea, but you have to what is our basic idea that the pipe आप करने का it's the basic idea. I have to even you have to do that. Is our basic idea that just it was come God's gift. கடவுள்கிட்ட ஒரு அருளால் வந்துச்சு. நான் சும்மா திருப்பி பார்த்தா வந்துட்டு. So it is a God gift. It is come. Thank you very much. All you have to try by find something to our India. கண்டுபிடிங்க. இந்த மேட்சில் நிறைய பேர் இருந்தால் உங்களுக்கு ஆத்மா சாந்தியடைய வேண்டுகிறேன். என்னுடைய சேனல் என்னுடைய everything now it is tight, otherwise it's very difficult to tight it. So don't use the cement. To make it cement use பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ என்ன கூட்ட முடியாது. Don't use the cement, otherwise it's very difficult to tight it. யூஸ் பண்ண கூட்ட முடியாது. Cement